let's go over this problem here. A1. Determine whether the functions are equivalent. Determine means yes or no. And equivalent just means equals. Are they the same? Excuse me. So here on the inputs, I'm going to find this difference. And you'll notice that it's just plus 1. All right, let's go to the outputs. The output is another way of saying the y variables, and the input is the x variable. So here in the y's, you notice that you can add 8. If I keep adding 8 here, this is called my common difference, my first common difference. First common difference, CD, common difference. And when you have a first common difference, all those numbers are the same. It tells you that it's the linear function family. So here, this forming on the left is a table of values. This is what the chart is. This table of values organizes your order pairs, the x, y's. So let's see if this is the same as our graph here on the right hand side. Now you'll notice the x-axis here, right, in orange. And so if I graph that first order pair 1, 11, you'll notice I'm going positive 1 on the x, and then I'm going 11 on the, on the 11 on the output, the y-axis there. So my order pair is 1, 11. Right 1, up 11. 1 on the x values, x number line, and 11 on the y number line. And then I'm just going to go through and graph all these order pairs. 2 on the x's. They're in orange. And then up 19 in this pink line here. So the order pair is 2, 19. Right 2, up 19. Notice how those are both positive. Let's just graph the other order pairs. I got notice how I'm putting here this, emphasizing this plus 1. The plus 1 here is the going towards the right. That is my quote-unquote run and slope, rise over run. So you go right 1, notice it's 2 boxes. And then the rise is 8. So you have a rise of 8, run of 1. Rise, run of 1, and then a rise of 8. So you have slope. Slope is rise over run, or the change in the y values, the pink over the orange, change of x. That's what the triangle means, change, delta. So that means 8 over 1. My slope is positive 8 over 1. So this graph, this line here, has a positive slope as you read it left to right. And your first common difference is actually the same thing as something called slope. So you'll notice that it's the output over the input, the y, change of the y's over the x's. So if you have first common difference, it's linear, then it's the same thing as slope. So yes, they are equivalent. They both show the same slope of a positive 8. They both show a linear.